The sound deadening insulation on this firewall was pretty rough, so I ordered some fairly inexpensive material from eBay, and today we're going to install it and see how it works. And I'll put the product link in the video description. Here's a quick shot of the old panel. The new firewall material has an adhesive backing, but you'll have to prep the firewall first, and we use one of these nylon abrasive wheels, and it fits right on the Harbor Freight sander and buffer. After a coat of primer and a couple coats of urethane satin black, this is nice and smooth and ready for the adhesive backing. Here's a shot of the sound deadening material I purchased from eBay. All we have to do now is trace the old one onto the new material and cut it out. And incidentally, these are just some repairs. We'll wipe this down first with some alcohol, make sure it's nice and clean. This sound deadening insulation worked well, was easy to work with, and the adhesive backing seemed to be very sticky. I'll do a short follow-up video on it down the road. For now though, I hope you enjoyed this short video on an inexpensive alternative to OEM type firewall insulation. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.